Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 4th of December. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on WTI Crude, which in TradingView has the code USOIL. What we'll see is that on the daily the moving averages should give support, but the key to this oil price could be the 200-week moving average, which is causing resistance. Let's look at those charts. So, starting with the weekly, and as I said in the intro, this 200-week moving average, which is this red line coming down, is causing severe resistance to the rally and is the first, the level. I think if you look at my previous videos, I was talking about this as being a resistance level that would be reached. We have reached it, and it is causing some indigestion on the oil price. Presently 57.97, so we did go above it last week, but we've traded back below it with today's trade. That will be a significant influence on the market. Below there on this weekly, you can see that we have had a golden cross on the 20, crossing the 50-week moving average, which is positive. And you can see that positive momentum remains with the RSI up at 65.98. Overall, what I would expect, and obviously this resistance from the 200 week also corresponds to the trading range that we had back in April and May 2015, so it's another resistance level there. I would say that we're likely to get a repetition of a few weeks sideways drifting picture before, if we do break above the 200 week, we'd then get the move higher, and obviously there isn't much resistance, as you can see from here, until we get well above the towards the 90 actually, as because the fall that we saw back in 2014 was so severe and so quick. So let's just keep an eye on it. But as I said, looking at this chart, one would expect a few weeks of consolidation. Looking at the daily, here not quite as clear. We're in an uptrend. We've gained support from the moving averages. That's good, and they continue to be the key to the trend that we're seeing on the daily. 20-day presently at 57.09. We are slightly losing upside momentum on this daily. You can see the RSI trending kind of narrowly to the downtrend, but it is still above 50, and you can see that the MACD are rolling down, but they're well above zero as well. On the 4-hour, here you can see that we are having a flag, and really we need to keep a close eye on these moving averages. If we move down below the 20, presently at 57.64, then that could start to roll, and we could see the moving averages pushing the index down through the support seen at 57, with support below there seen at around 55.8, and then the 200 comes in 55.52. Momentum here, again, we were trying to create a bit of an upside momentum as it looked like we're breaking the flag. We've now drifted. RSI 50.84, so neutral, and the MACD as well, both around zero and virtually together. So looking at the support resistance levels, we've got that key resistance from the 200 week, which is at 57.97. Then the high of 24th of November, 59.02, with supports at the 20 from the 4-hour, 57.64, and then the 20-day, 57.09. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the WTI crude price. The key conclusions from the video are that the 200-week moving average is key resistance. On the 4-hour, We need to break up from the present consolidation. Don't let those moving averages roll over. Otherwise, it's all okay. Upside momentum does remain in place, and those daily moving averages will give support. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember, these videos are my opinions only and they're not an investment recommendation.